Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a makeup video. It has a little twist. We're going to like speak Creole and also English at the same time. And also I'm going to try out this new product that I just got. Yeah, so this video is going to be with my best friend Schneilene. She have a YouTube channel. Please go check her out. It's Schneilene. I'll put it on the screen. Also, I'll link it down below, so check it out. All right, please like and subscribe. Okay. All right, you done? All right, so we're gonna start with our foundation. So now come on, what is the foundation? See, this is the thing. I know, right? Okay. A lot of makeup items in Creole, we really don't know the name of it, how you say it, so we're probably gonna say it in English. But nabdi ki sali fait, like, you know what I mean? So nabdi oki kote pour nous mettre la figino or something. You know what I mean? So we also, I'm gonna say you know what I mean a lot. Also, we basically gonna say English in Creole, so it's like a translation type of thing. I might not repeat everything, but yeah. Okay, comment say. So we're gonna use our beauty blender. Qui s'en a utilisé petit bagage ça qui j'ai
branche pour mettre make-up là na figo.
Mettre maquillage là na
figo.
Yeah. So the foundation that I'm going to use. The foundation that I'm going to use, que vais utiliser pour faire gimna, c'est Fenty Beauties by Rihanna. Which one are you gonna use?
And I'm using Born This Way by Too Faced.
Okay. Oh, the foundation that I'm using, it's in shade 440. So 440. So besoin sous même couleur avec, vous allez aller dans store à lâcher Fenty Beauty 440. Okay.
Pas n'a pas un numéro, mais non, c'est Spice Rum.
Spice Rum. Okay. I'll also put it like down below. Ma pe écrit là, so on connaît qui qualité maquillage on va utiliser. All right, let's go.
Toujours mettre produit dans
I forgot to put it.
Parce que je vais mettre dans la cour pour ressembler avec un zombie. Et nous avec ça.
Ressemble à un zombie.
Nous on fait gomme d'ap et en CEO pour acheter un bagage qui est le corrector.
The psychologist.
I know. Creole. On va créer le correcteur pour mettre ce petit mac noir pour retirer le mac noir. Il pas retirer, non?
La couvrir
avec foundation.
Yeah.
Prends temps pour blender et
Foundation dans la peau.
Pour entrer bien un peu.
Yeah. Because parfois on pense li ou tout bagay ensemble et puis la fini l'on sorti dehors et ou ka wè mak la. Comme ça là. So make sure you take your time to blend everything in. So
al nan store, al nan Walmart, al nan
no, I said pas nan Walmart, Ulta.
Al nan Ulta, al
Ou bien Sephora.
Cherche un bagay qui relé et concealer. N'a mettre en bas pour écrire le même genre, écrire dans petit papier. Pour aller dans le store, pour aller chercher option.
Alright, so concealer, I'll just mettre la base yeux. Ou mettre, alright, ou mettre là. Ou mettre dans mi-tonnerre. Mettez dans la fontaine. On mettez dans bababino. So the moustache, mettez la moustache. And basically that's it. Mais ma mettre ouais, just taper le tika patika, and by just like at it constant. Just tap it. Then je vais utiliser l'autre qualité Maude because je vais acheter concealer, c'est deux qualités concealer à acheter. Il y a un qui pi noir passer figure, il y a un qui pi more lighter than this. Pi rouge parfait. There you go. Oh my, you good job. Il y a un qui pi rouge passer figure, il y a un qui pi noir passer figure, OK? So ça pi rouge passer figure là, on met en bas de yeux, côté de mettre là et puis la fini ça qui pi noir passer figure là, mais côté mettre right here. So I feel I'll do this. Oh, also I forgot to say that the concealer that I use to contour is the Fenty Beauty one. Shade, what shade it is? Espresso. Yeah, shade Espresso. Si ou besoin eyeshadow la palette anti-jean brillant, ou mettez concealer en bas de yeux. OK? Concealer ça va utiliser un concealer qui pi rouge parce pour moi. So this one I'm using is basically C11. It's Makeup Revolution. I use C13 underneath my eyes, so I'm using C11 en bas de yeux. Okay, so me mette put the Sasha Buttercup underneath my eyes. Put là just ka mette lo ka kite pour 2-3 minutes ou bien on ka just mette lo bi le fini ou un brush type ou just retirer. I've been baking for like a couple minutes. So I'm about to take it out and stuff like that.
Sasha Buttercup. This is Sasha and she has a buttercup.
So lem fini fase.
Você vai vai tilang bon sa affaire.
Vai tilang bon.
Tila lang.
É o febre, é casmo que like febre, né? Alright, bashi j'aime mettre bagay noir en bas like m'a dit en bas. Around here, nous mettez là. So I'm going to balcon put qui noir encore et puis m'a mettre même côté là. Because you have to set it. Faut être en place. Vous comprenez? Alright. Because I'm cutting myself a lot. But, you know. Oh, my sister's in the background.
I like this.
Yes, I put là où mettez là, mettez pour là où mettez même côté où tu mettez concealer qui pi rouge passe figure là. Mettez en bas de yeux, mettez en bas vino, bon côté fontaine et bon côté ti like la mitanel. You're so dramatic with it. Oh my god. Yep.
S'il vous plaît, pas utiliser ça pour figure.
Yeah, because of somebody like, I don't know. I'm not gonna say it.
Como zombie.
So spray mettez dans figure. This spray that I'm using is the matte finish spray. It's basically like on spray ou mettez pour quand fait tout bas mariner, you know what I mean, quand on leur fait manger. Besoin épice ça pour mariner manger, so li mariner figure. That sounds so stupid. But it's basically blend everything in, I guess. Put a little bit this side. Okay. Really?
On l'a. Moi, je vais faire un best friend tag. La vidéo a perdu.
Piti. Pas une vidéo a perdu, non, li coupé.
Oh.
It was just little on partie bas, on partie tout noir. Like I didn't even know what the heck was going on. I guess yeah, dirty. Oh. Have to be careful with those technology stuff.
Who saw me make makeup even more?
Someone with makeup? To enhance my beauty.
Comme ça t'a pris tête, oui. Tout le monde belle, pas de monde qui l'a dans sous terre.
Baby bon Dieu fort.
Yeah. Bon Dieu fort dans l'image.
Exactly. Whenever someone let it, fini on passe les puis belle va c'est puis ah.
So même.
Alright. So after I put like my highlights, what I usually do is this powder that I have. It's kind of like a powder. I just put it all over my face to kind of like blend in stuff, I guess. This is the powder that I use. It's the Fit Me powder matte poreless. I haven't found something that's better, so I'm gonna keep using it. That's what I do. Ça son poudre qui match avec pour moi bah ça yo so me mettre dans toute figure moi. Pour ne mettre en bas deuxième nan ba mettre dans toute figure because the antigen pic puis rouge passé so put ça même couleur avec figure. Rihanna is on me.
It's not going with my look.
Rihanna get a person who can carnival chaque jour.
Right? It doesn't go with my look.
But like in real life, like it does look cute though.
The color is cute. It just doesn't go with my look. My eyes, I like my lips to match my eyes. That's just me.
Yeah, so they're gonna take one like the different one. You know how she had like the red and thing? Yeah. In real life, like while I'm looking at it right now, it don't look that bad. It actually look really cute.
The lips is cute.
Even it's just on camera, so it looks like a little bit too much. You know what I mean? On camera, it just appear like a little bit too vibrant.
Il fait comme si bagay en les bouches.
Ew.
Ma retire.
And retire some problem too because you put a lot too because it has a lot of glitter. We love you, Riri. Sometimes it's a
I'll be back.
Alright. Oh my god. You're so dramatic.
Bagado.
I'll do that.
Bagado. Yeah, I don't know what you trying to do to me, but no.
Do the other side. This is. Alright, so we're gonna put our lashes, then we're gonna be looking popping, okay? So hold up.
That's it.
So this is the look.
Make sure you like and comment.
Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment. S'il vous plaît, remets photo, remets vidéo ça. Sou kon ba bezwen di, sou kon kesyon, just pose kesyon sa en bas. Écrit en bas. And then what else?
That's it.
How do you say subscribe? Subscribe.
Pese ti bouton rouge la.
Mbote kite ti bouton rouge assemble. Subscribe. So just pese li and support channel nou.
Chaque nou kon yon video, wap jwenni, la vi nan telefon ou, nan laptop ou, nan computer ou.
Yeah, basically, yeah. Alright guys, thank you for watching. That's it.
Haïtien, bleu, rouge, rouge, bleu, American, white, red, and blue.
She's questioning.
Alright, thank you for watching. Enjoy video.
Alright, bye. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Start.